Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, April 5th, 2023. Let's take a look at the Forex economic calendar for today. As you can see, some of the data were published overnight and some of them were very important data, like the Reserve Bank of New Zealand interest rate decision and the rate statement. As you can see, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand surprised market participants by hiking the interest rate from 4.75% to 5.25%, which was more than the forecast of 5%. We will definitely take a look at the technical picture of the New Zealand dollar later on. During the London session, we have another very important event to release. It's a Composite PMI and the Services PMI data from the UK. So definitely we'll take a look at the British pound later on. And during the New York session, we got ADP NonFarm Employment Change, ISM Non-Manufacturing PMI and Crude Oil Inventories data scheduled for release at 2:15, 4 o'clock and 4:30. So this is the situation for today. This is the situation for the Forex economic calendar for Wednesday, 5th of the April. And as you can see, very important event are scheduled for release still. So please stay vigilant, stay focused during the moment of the data release. So let's now find out what is going on the New Zealand dollar. What's the technical picture of this currency? For our chart of the New Zealand dollar is showing us very strong breakout after the unexpected interest rate hike by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. So let's just assume what's happened here. Where is the last high and where is the was the situation on the 4-hour chart? First thing is that high was made at 6,375. So that's the high level, and this high was made into the extremely overbought market condition on the 4-hour chart. Where is the technical support? The technical support is located here, roughly let's say around the level of 6,310. The other technical support that we were talking about just recently is located at 6,289. So this it will be now the green line on our chart because it's a technical support. The moving averages, 50 and 100 moving averages are still below the price, which means that the market is being fully controlled by the bulls, by the demand, of course, but still this movement to the upside that looked a little bit like a corrective movement, like a horizontal, maybe some kind of a trend, now starts to look a little bit bullish, unless this is a false breakout. So please pay attention to the next development here on the 4-hour chart of the New Zealand dollar. Where is the next target? Where is the eventual next target for bulls? So the next target for bulls is located around here, the level of 6,386. That's the next target. We are very, very close to it, and we might see some sort of the reaction on this level if it is hit, of course. So the bears should give us some kind of a clues what they want to do at this level. Maybe as it was 2 times before, they will push the prices lower, especially because we are now entering the extremely overbought market conditions. So that's the situation on the New Zealand dollar. The bulls are trying to break out from the corrective pattern, rally higher. We will see how this will go very, very, very soon. The next market will be, of course, the British pound because of the Composite and Service PMI data. As we can see on the British pound, we have some sort of the pin bars made during the recent rally. The high is 1.2524. That's the highest high during this recent movement to the upside. This high was made during the extremely overbought market conditions, so there is still some sort of the potential pressure on the prices right now made by the supply, because what they are trying to do now is of course the pullback or even a correction. So where is the next potential target for the pullback? The level of 1.2422 looks like the ideal target for the bears, and the next target should be seen somewhere around the level of 1.2394. Of course, we are still aware of the 1.2273. This is the next target, the very important technical support, and the eventual next target for bears. The market keeps trading above the 50 and 100 periods moving average, but it looks like we will need some sort of the pullback soon, because this movement to the upside looks a little bit overstretched, and the market conditions are way too overbought for this situation. So please, be careful, stay vigilant, stay focused during the data release from the UK. We might have the very violent trading environment during this point of time, okay, during the data release. And the last market we are going to talk about will be the market, it will be the gold market, and the reason for that is that we are still moving up on the gold market. Let me just go to the weekly, there you go, to the weekly time frame chart to show you very important levels for gold for the near future. The one of them is 2069 and the other one is 2074. They are very close together, and those are the strongest levels, the strongest technical resistances and the swing highs during the rally on gold. As you can see, I'm going backwards back to the 2012, 2011 even, and there is no such a level above the 2000. The highest high here was 1920. So that's the all-time high for the price of gold. And we, as you can see on the daily, on the weekly time frame chart, we are approaching this level very strongly. This week's, as you can see, looks like a very strong candle, weekly candle, green candle, big candle, getting closer and closer towards the all-time high on gold. So today's data from the USA might add more to this rally, and we are not that far away from the swing high. 2025 was the recent high on the spot gold market, and the high from the 2020 is 2074. So it's only $50 away. We are only $50 away from the all-time high. The market's conditions are, as you can see, extremely overbought. Nevertheless, there still is like a slight room to the upside. The market is definitely didn't overshoot the upward rally. So there is still a room for the bulls to move higher, and we should be prepared for this kind of the market activity very soon. If we move to the 4-hour chart, as you can see here, okay, so I need to do it manual. There you go. We got a very strong breakout above the level of let's say that one 2009. So we close our way of the market of this level. The market was consolidating above the 2020 dollars. The local high was made at 2025, and we are still moving higher despite the fact that there are extremely overbought market conditions even on the 4-hour time frame chart, and it still looks like the bearish divergence is being built on this market. As you can see, we are not that far away from the targets of the all-time highs. Let me just change it to the black line so you can guys see there is very little room to the upside left for the bulls. So we might see a nice spike to the upside very soon in order to test this level and see what is going on, what will happen when this level will be tested by bulls. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.